Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. This is our second class of conic. In my previous class I have discussed about conic. From there we get SP by PM equal to E. This E is called eccentricity. Now today I am going to discuss classification of conic. Depending on this E, that means eccentricity, conics are of three types. One, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. If E is equal to 1, then the conics represent a parabola. That means if SP by PM equal to 1, then the conic represent a parabola. If E is less than 1, then the conics represent a ellipse. And if E is greater than 1, then the conic represent a hyperbola. Today I am going to discuss about parabola. In case of parabola, eccentricity is 1. That means SP by PM is equal to 1. That implies SP equal to PM. General equation of parabola, y square equal to 4x. If A is positive, then the graph is in right side, and if A is negative, then the graph is in left side. And focus of the parabola is A0. This point is A0. That means this length is A. And in case of parabola, SP equal to, and here axis is the x-axis, and we know equation of x-axis is equal to y equal to 0. That means axis is equal to y equal to 0. Focus is A0 and axis is equal to y equal to 0. And intersecting point of the conic and axis is this point, and this is origin. So vertex is 0, 0. So vertex is 0, 0. We know intersecting point of axis and the conic is called vertex. So vertex is 0, 0. And in case of parabola, SP equal to PM, and P be any point on this curve. So if we take O as P, then SO equal to OZ. These two distance are equal. That means if this distance is A, this is also A, and this is origin. So this point is minus A 0. So foot is minus A 0. Foot is minus A 0. Clear? Vertex, foot. Now directrix. Directrix is a line. Here directrix is parallel line to y-axis, and we know parallel line to y-axis is equal to x equal to something. That means x equal to something, and x equal to this length, and this length is a and negative. That's why x equal to minus a. So directrix is x equal to minus a. The equation of this line is x equal to minus a, or x plus a equal to 0, or x plus a equal to 0. Now I get focus, axis, vertex, foot, and directrix. Now latus rectum. Latus rectum is the focal chord which is perpendicular to axis. This is the latus rectum. Mark this latus rectum A level prime. So here ALL prime is the latest rectum. This is perpendicular to axis. So and we know SP equal to PM, that's why SL equal to LM. L be any point on the P be any point, and here we can take L as P, so SP equal to PM, so SL equal to PM. SL equal to LM here, and this length is A, and this is a rectangle or square, maybe it will be square here. This is A, this is also A, so this is also A, this is also A, so that means this length LM is equal to 2A. This length LM is equal to 2A, and SL equal to LM, so SL equal to 2A. SL equal to also 2A, and latest rectum is LL prime, so LL prime is 4A. So length of latest rectum. So length of latest rectum equal to 4A. This is the length of latest rectum. So length of latest rectum equal to 4A, and equation of latest rectum is equal to, and equation of latest rectum equation of latest rectum is equal to x. This is latest rectum also parallel line to y axis, so x equal to something, x equal to this length, x equal to A. Okay, clear? Or we can write x minus A equal to 0. If the equation is y square equal to minus 4ax, then the graph is in left side of the y-axis. Y prime, and focus. This is directrix, and focus is minus a0. Focus is minus a0. This is vertex is 0, 0. Equation of axis is x-axis, so y equal to 0. Equation of directrix, here directrix, this length is A, so this is also A, so directrix is x equal to A. Length of latest rectum 4A. Length of latest rectum 4A, and equation of latest rectum x equal to minus A. If x square equal to 4ay, given this is also a equation, this equation also represents a parabola, and this equation, if a is positive, then the equation represents this type of graph. So focus is in y-axis, so 0a, vertex 0, 0, length of latest rectum 4a, always 4a, length of latest rectum, and equation here, this is parallel to x-axis, so y equal to something, then here y equal to a. Parallel line to x-axis is y equal to something, so here y equal to this length a. This is vertex 0, 0, and directrix y equal to something, this is also a, and negative direction, so y equal to minus a. Length of latest rectum same 4a. In case of negative, if x square minus 4 ay, then the graph will be like this. This graph are symmetric with y-axis, and focus is 0 minus a, vertex 0 0, vertex 0 0, equation of lattice rectum y equal to minus a, equation of lattice rectum y equal to minus a, length of lattice rectum always modulus of 4a, and equation of directrix is y equal to a. Clear?